Hey guys, this is Bear's Emo. This is how you take apart a PlayStation 2 memory card. I already got one little screw out. Oops, one little screw. See it there? So, still getting this one. You just need a little toolbox, screwdriver. Has to be the size. They'll fit in this. You'll know which one it is. Plus 00. All those zeros. Alright, it is open. Now I just need to do this. See, it won't open because it's kind of hard. It won't let you. It's like, chow if you proof percent. It's like glued right there. So, my sign is to get one of these. Automatically just goes up. And grab it. Put it in. Voila. And so hang on, I'm going to get a bigger thing so you guys can see it. Like this. Put that right there. Get my little tools. Hang on. Alright. I'm figuring out something. Okay. Now, you get it. Right in the middle. And you try to get your little fingers right in there. Push it. You pull it. Put one finger right there. And try to get it out. I'm having a little trouble. Hang on. Alright, I finally broke it. Alright. You can do that or use this. So, I'd rather stick to breaking it in half. If you want to put it back together, well then, use this. Well, here it is, the little chip. The black, right there. Got my thumb. Right there. Well, you can't see it. Right there. It's a Samsung. It's like a phone company, TV company, and all that. And it's kind of cool. The back doesn't really say anything. But, yeah. That's it. That's it. Oh, yeah. This is, Bear's Emo. So, like, I made another account. Because I think my account got hacked. Because it really won't let me log on. I've done my password and everything. Here is a Halo Reach Mountain Dew, Diet Mountain Dew. The sniper and the guys are in the background. Woohoo! Well, that's it. See you guys later. And, oh, one more thing. Subscribe. Get a whole bunch of views, subscribes, and you put in comments, and I will make a video whatever you want. Okay, see you guys later.